I had made wings the other day and had some buffalo chicken sauce left over. So I opened up a bag of frozen cauliflower and I smothered it in sauce. These are still pretty hot. And I put them in one of these little disposable pans that I keep for my air fryer. And yes, they're metal, and yes, they go in the air fryer. They're just simply, like I always say, a small convection oven. So anything you put in your oven, you can put in your air fryer. Don't put plastic in there. Anyway, these are a little hot. So what I did next was, can you hear my pork chops loin frying over there? I had breadcrumbs with Parmesan cheese and little garlic salt. They're panko. And I'm making sure that they're pretty well covered. And then in here they'll go. I might have to do 2 batches. And then I put breadcrumbs. So the buffalo sauce first, and they sell buffalo sauce in a bottle. Or you can make it yourself with just hot sauce and butter melted, or I use margarine melted down. I'm going to try and fit all these little suckers in. Because once they get firm, look at this big boy I'm putting in though. Move over. Roll over, roll over. Okay, almost done here. Anyway, yeah, you can use hot sauce and margarine, melt it down. Really, that's all that the restaurants use. Gotta tell you. Okay, I think I got them all. Okay, and this was hot. See how it says hot food. So, okay, go to sleep, little crusties, and I will, when you are crusty, rather, I will flip you around and get the other side. I'm going to get them nice and hot, and then I might spray some avocado oil on it because that really crisps things up. Say that 3 times fast. Crisps. Here we go. Okay, so I found midway through when I flipped them, some of them have a little char on the one side, see? And what I'm going to do now, this is my vegetable one. Just like that. And then we'll finish them off. They'll get even more crispy. Yeah. Whoops. I turned it off. Ta-da! It's crunchy. Not too crunchy, but it's certainly browned and wonderful looking. I'm sure we'll like it. You know, you could serve it with a dip if you want, like ranch dressing or something. But in any case, it's just a bag of cauliflower. You know how I did it. Enjoy.